I'm Julian Lilkendey. I'm a marine fish ecologist based in Bremen, Germany. I am interested in fish and how they are adapted to extreme, challenging marine environments. For example, I spent a year in Senegal studying the reproductive ecology of clupioid fishes in an inverse hypersaline estuarine system. I also spent quite some time in Mauritius studying the growth of fish at submarine groundwater springs. I am in Vavanga village, Kolomagara Island, western province of Solomon Islands. Here we have a unique system at our hands. Right at the river's mouth we find a natural turbid coral reef. However, due to logging and a lot of sediment input into the waters, what we also find is an anthropogenic turbid coral reef. Now, as we move further from the river's mouth, we do find stretches of still almost pristine coral reef. Here we will have a look at the foraging dynamics of coral reef fish. More precisely, we will have a look at the energy they are investing foraging or feeding on the reef matrix. Now, what will we be doing? We will set up a set of 2 GoPro cameras which will be calibrated through a computer program. This will allow us to identify X, Y and Z coordinate in a 3-dimensional space. Essentially we can measure fish lengths and distances underwater. But even more, the program will allow us to track individual fish, tracking their X, Y and Z coordinates in a 3-dimensional space in the ocean. With this information we can deduce their velocity, their acceleration and the energy they invested into foraging. We will compare these matrices against, on a pristine coral reef, against the turbid coral reef we find right at the mouth of the river in front of the research station. Currently, I'm a research associate with the Auckland University of Technology. I'm also the supervisor of Emily Yupp. I'm here to make sure that we have a proper sampling in place, that we go to the right place at the right time to actually take videos of fish. I'm here to make sure that our camera system is properly set up and calibrated. And I'm here to make sure that we actually identify the correct species we want to have a deeper look at. Now, our indigenous guide, Woody, is actually helping us out with that, which gives me some spare time to actually think about the next research project we can conduct here.